Welcome to Best Incorporated Soldering Tip of the Month. My name is Norman Meir and I'm a certified IPC Master Instructor for soldering skills. Today's tip is the installation and soldering of an 0805 chip component using a point-to-point soldering technique. We'll be creating the solder joints to the IPC 610 Class 1, 2, and 3 target conditions. I will be using a .015 eutectic no-clean solder along with an external 302 no-clean flux. The soldering tip I've chosen is a wedge tip, and it will cover approximately 50 to 75% of the land area as I am showing you here. The site has already been properly cleaned and prepared using alcohol and chem wipes. Turn on the iron so that after the proper orientation, your tip will be at proper operating temperature to get a quality wetting action between the board and the pad area. Make sure you line it properly, center it all the way around on the pads. It's not really that hard to do. Just like so. Apply flux using a small squeeze bottle with a small nozzle to dispense flux, or you can also use a flux pen to the area. Next, clean the tip of any residue against a moist sponge and ensure that you're working with a clean tip. Place a pair of tweezers or an orangewood stick on top of the package to ensure that the part will not move. Gently touch the side of the package body and the pad area. Get solder reflow and come off. Now you've tacked a part into place. Next, you will orientate your board so that you can put solder on one end. You already have flux there, so all you have to do is bring the solder in. Since we've already applied the flux to the area and the part is tacked into position, we are now ready to solder. To solder the part, make sure that the solder is placed 50% of the end joint width of the 0805. Hit the pad area and slide all the way into the part in one swift motion in and out, just like so. Turn your board around. Apply a little bit more flux again because you've already used the flux that was here. Again, solder about 50% of the width of the part. Get in, get out just like this. Slide in, slide out. Now that you have thoroughly cleaned your part, it is time for inspection. You're going to rotate your board up at an angle just like this and inspect.